How to register and upgrade Palawan Pay app. First, open Play Store app. Search Palawan Pay app. Tap Palawan Pay and install. Tap Create Account. Read and understand terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy, then tap I agree. Allow. Enter your mobile number and create a password. It will send an SMS with 6-digit verification code. It will ask you basic details like first name, middle name, last name, birthday, nationality, and email. Fill the details, then click Next. It will ask your current address. Fill the details, then click Next. Next, be ready for a selfie. Find a place with a better lighting. Click I'm ready when you are now in the position. Follow the instruction in the screen. Smile to screen, close your right eye, close your left eye and smile again. Now choose and answer your security question. Create a PIN. Remember this, cause this will serve as your PIN or password when you open the app. Congratulations, you are now registered. Read and compare the features and limits between registered only account and verified account. If you want to verify your account, click Upgrade now. To verify your account, you need to verify your email and you will need to send a photo of your valid ID. When you click Upgrade, Palawan will send an email with 6-digit verification code. Please be patient because it will not automatically send. Personally, I waited for more than 5 minutes to receive that email. Once you receive that email, tap Verify and enter the verification code. Tap OK, thanks. Tap Continue. Now ready your valid ID. There are so many options, choose the ID that you have. On my part, I choose driver's license. Tap Next. Position your ID proper with correct framing, then tap Check. Tap Next. You will be asked again with another details like birthplace, status of employment and what industry. Now you're done. Just wait for few days for the verification. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.